Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're coming back, welcome back. So in this video I am gonna share my everyday morning routine. I mean, once in a while it changes depending on how I'm feeling about my skin. So I've already done like 2 steps. So without further ado, and before my face dries out, let's dive in. Okay, so first of for the last I think 2 weeks, I started using this CeraVe, I'm not sure. Yeah, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It has the 3 essential ceramides. It cleanses, hydrates, and helps restore protective skin barrier. Yada yada yada. Guys, if I tell you this does what it says it does. So I have already washed my face in the shower. I never wash my face and let it and walk around the house like this. I will either start flaking and whatnot, but this, like, I feel the moisture, and it's creamy consistency, I guess. Yeah, so it doesn't foam. So I don't use my brush with it because it's kind of weird. So unless I use the foamy ones, that's when I use my brush. But this one, I just use my fingers, massage all around my face, upward, downwards, my face and neck. And yeah, it does the job, and you can see my face is clean. So the second step that I don't do this every single day, but maybe every other day. So I use the daily microfoliant from Dermalogica, the powdered one. I mentioned it in my nighttime skincare routine. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it somewhere here in the video. If I feel like, I try to do it regardless every other day, but then if I feel my skin is feeling, kind of iffy, so I use this. Okay, now let's start the skincare. So the next one, my next step after cleansing, exfoliating, I'm gonna tone. And guys, if you remember in my nighttime skincare routine, that was the day I got this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. And guys, I love this. So actually, the first time I used it, I used the cotton pads, and after a few, I watched like an Instagram live with the owner, Christine, and she was using her palms. So, and I DM'd her like, which is better? She's like, oh, she prefers using it, and I saw a lot of people use it. So since then, I use my hand. So all you do, you just kind of, just pour an ample, like just a little. And I keep this on the counter because it is glass, so I don't want it. So I just kind of rub my hand and just kind of soak it in. And then, guys, don't forget your neck. Oh, this is, yeah. And then I kind of let it sink in for a bit before I go to my next step. So I am gonna put it away because it's so precious, guys, because I didn't even put it with the other stuff because it's glass. I don't want this to break. But I mean, you can tell from my initial video, the first time I applied it was wow, and you can see my skin, guys. Yeah, so yeah, it's so hydrating, and your pores get tight and all that fun stuff. Okay, the next step that I take, it varies. Sometimes I go with eye cream first, serum second, but yeah, so let's go with serum. Sometimes I don't use it, I change it depending on what but recently I've been using the enquiries, the hyaluronic acid. Today I said it right. So the same thing, you just pour a little in your hand. It goes a long way, and guys, serums are expensive. So, and then I just kind of go around my face too. And this is a time you can use the jade roller to kind of sink it in. I I don't do that every day, but every other day. It's in the freezer. Hold on, I'll be back. After I put the serum, I like to go in with my jade roller. So as you can see, it's in the freezer. So that's where I keep it. Actually, I ordered a mini fridge, like skincare fridge, a long time ago. Up till date, it hasn't been delivered. So yeah. So you just put it like this. I don't do this with the jade roller every other day because some days I'm on the go, I'm in a rush, and I forgot that it's in the freezer. So you just kind of go. And now that it's freezing cold, guys, it's giving it's a whole nother level. So you just it feels so good. I'm gonna put the benefits of using the jade roller somewhere here, just so you know. It helps, you know, with the circulation of the blood, and you know, sinks it. And guys, as I mentioned, don't forget your neck. We don't want to have a young face and an old neck. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna set this aside. So it has two parts. This is like the face, and this is like for the eyes. So. And the next step, I like to go on with my eye cream because, guys, you know, I love my eyes. It needs to be hydrated. So yeah, this is the cream I use from the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. So use your ring finger. I don't know the secret about it, but just use it. They said you should use it, so use it. So a little goes a long way. I can put them together, rub them, and go under my eye. And guys, sometimes I actually do it above my eyes because I love them. Let them get the juice too. So just put it, let it sink. You can see instant hydration. You know, avocado is good for everything. It's good for you to consume it. It's good for your hair and everything. So yeah, everything avocado is good. So this one I use this and then kind of go over it. Guys, this is so amazing. I think I want to go back to sleep just by doing this. So you can see, just go under the eye gently because the eyes are very delicate. Yeah. Oh. Wow, guys. Yeah, okay. And then obviously, after usage, don't forget to rinse it, wash it, sanitize it. I have my little spray bottle with like alcohol, 70% isotopyl, yeah, and mix it with water, and yeah, just to sanitize this. So I'm gonna do this later. So yeah. And the next step, when we have, you know, we've cleansed, we've exfoliated, we've toned and serumed and eye creamed, if those are words. So the next step is my moisturizer. My moisturizer also is something that changes depending on the season, the weather, how my skin, maybe it's a hot day, a cold day, whatever. I just decided in this video to just use the one that is constant, that I use mostly all seasons, all this, because it's hydrating. So this is the Fresh Deep Hydration Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream with time release hydro purchase moisturizer. So this is the one I am using. If you like me to do a video of like my skincare products that I use from time to time or switch, let me know, and my suggestions, I'll be happy to do that as well. So just a little goes a long way. I know some people like to make the dots, like I really don't got time. Just rub it and kind of put it all around your face and neck. Just this is the time I take the opportunity to massage my face, because after my skincare routine, I don't touch my face till my nighttime routine. And I have OCD people touching my hand. Like, don't even, sorry, don't touch my face. Like, because I feel it's rude. Like, why would you just touch people's face? So yeah, so pretty much that's it. And obviously, if I'm going, since now we're in the summer days, guys, don't forget your sunscreen. It doesn't, you know, it's not, you gotta protect that melanin. I don't know who said that black people don't use, but please, please, please. There are a lot of different recommendations. I actually want to try the black girl sunscreen in one. A lot of people have been saying it because I've been looking for one for my like whole body. So, these are the ones that I use. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's just the one I grab. So this is the Kiehl's one, and they don't provide like the white cast. And then this is the Sea Shadow. So, and they're all 50 plus. This one, it says water resistant, anti-pollution, yeah, UAV, UVB, yeah. So today I'll just go with this, and I always like to shake it. Thing, you just put, I don't know. For me, I personally love rubbing stuff, so like there's not like the dots, because I don't think I'm that cool. So same thing. Avoid the eye area. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So, and then obviously don't forget your lips. We don't want to see cracked lip. We want hydrated. On those soft supple lips, we don't want cracked lips and whatnot. So I love this. I mean, I use Vaseline or, you know, whatever I have, but I love, especially now that we use mask, nobody has time for lipstick or lip gloss because they'll be sticking on your mask. So I love to use the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Yes, guys, I know it says sleeping, but this, it makes your lips be like baby, as soft as ball. Just go, I don't care, it does the job. I guess my lips sleep during the day too, so yeah. So pretty much that's it. That's my daytime, morning time skincare routine. So, and then one final step that I do, so honestly sometimes I don't wear makeup. It's not all the time I do it, unless I have to go out or meet a client or something. I just feel like doing it, but a lot of time I refrain from it because I don't want to have a lot of steps to do at night. So yeah, and there are mornings that, you know, my skin feels terrible and I use a mask, so there's always that. And there are some mornings that I want to do the ultimate. I want to use my mask, my steamer, but this is my everyday. So whether I'm staying at home or going out, because I do a lot of FaceTime, you know, WhatsApp, or even Zoom calls. So, you know, I don't want to attack people with my eyebrows. So I love using the MAC pencil. This is the Velvet Stone. So I am just gonna do my brows real quick. I mean, I'm not that perfect. I don't know how to do, I guess, the right brow, but anyway, let me stop. Let me just look like a human being. So pretty much this is my everyday skincare routine. Some days I skip the sunscreen if I'm not going out. Like today, I'm not sure I'm gonna go out anyway, but I might just take a walk down the street. These are all the products I use. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you like to see next. I'd like to hear what you use for your morning skincare routine, if you have one. Make sure you like this video so I know you like videos like this, and so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when next I post a new video. And also leave a comment below. I would love to hear how you do your skincare routine, or you know, or suggest a video you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.